So you want to go ahead and prepare your cabbage. Cut the ends of it. After you cut your ends, you're going to slice it in half. So you're going to half your cabbage and then take off that dirty shell, is what I call it. So you're going to take about 1 or 2 layers off until you get to that bright green or bright purple look that you're looking for. Then slice the cabbage into small sections. So after this, you can put this in a food processor if you like, or you can chop it down finer if you're doing it by hand. So I did it by hand, and I'm just finely chopping it to the size that I like it. I like my coleslaw a little bit on the chunky side, not too fine, so that's why I went on ahead and chopped it myself. So now you got your ingredients: a half a cup of sugar, then you got 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a cup of mayo. Once you get those ingredients in there, guys, all it is mixing it up. Mix it real good. Make sure you got all those ingredients binded on that coleslaw, and there you have it. Nice, creamy, sweet coleslaw. Now you also want to salt and pepper the taste, and you can normally do that at the end when you have it on your presentation for your guests. Salt, pepper that thing. Good to go. Go ahead and take a taste of that thing. Sweet, creamy, just how I like it, guys. Try that recipe. It's good. I'm gonna let my babies taste it and see what they think.
It's pretty sweet.
So guys, there you have it. Creamy coleslaw, easy, guys. Hit that subscribe button, man. We'll see you guys later. Peace.